What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's going to be a short one today. We're going to be drawing the winners of the Simply Carbon Fiber $75 gift card giveaway from the 5,000 subscriber giveaway video. So good luck to everybody watching. Thank you for everybody who entered and gave me some kind words. It really motivates me to keep pushing out content for you guys. I absolutely love what I'm doing here on YouTube, which is creating automotive and BMW content for you guys. So I appreciate all of the love on YouTube and Instagram. But it's only gonna keep getting better from here on out. We're gonna keep the grind going, so thank you guys for watching. But as always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content. Now let's get into this giveaway. Alright, so I'm gonna take over on my laptop with a screen recording, just so you guys know that we're doing it live together. It's 11:19 p.m. right now. I'm on pickawinner.co. It is a YouTube random comment generator website, of course. And so what I did here was I went to my 5K subscriber giveaway video on my channel. I just changed the title to closed, so that means the giveaway is officially closed. I copied the URL and then I pasted that over here into the website, and then we're gonna go ahead and click fetch. It's gonna ask if I want to choose a filter. I'm gonna leave it as anything goes. Don't want it to filter out anything specific. And then include replies. I don't want it to include my own replies, so I'm gonna toggle that off. And then we're gonna click continue. And I think that's gonna load up all the comments that were left on the video, which it did right there, 85 total. Again, shout out to anybody that left any type of comment, any type of support. Huge shout out to you. And here we go. Drum roll please. We're gonna pick the first winner in 3, 2, 1. Play Club. He says, congrats on 5K, love the videos on the equal length exhaust setups you've tested. Everything that I wanted to test out without me having to do it. So shout out to you, man. He actually has a YouTube channel as well. Make sure you guys check him out. And congrats on winning the first $75 gift card to Simply Carbon Fiber. Moving right along, you guys can see here that we only have 84 comments left. So that means Play Club, the previous winner, is no longer in the prize pool. So let's go ahead and pick the second winner of the $75 Simply Carbon Fiber gift card in 3, 2, 1. Brian Golding. My boy Alpine F32 on Instagram. Me and him have actually been friends since I got my F30 like 3-4 years ago. So shout out to you, man. You are also a day one. Congrats to you on winning the second gift card and giveaway to Simply Carbon Fiber. I'll definitely be talking to you soon on Instagram. Make sure you guys check out his beautiful F32 build and Play Clubs. He has a CS as well. Make sure you guys check out both of their cars and builds. I'll leave all the winners' Instagrams in the description below so you guys can check them out. If they have an Instagram, of course. And last but not least, let's pick winner number 3 in 3, 2, 1. Christopher Malonzo. Congrats, bro. Keep up the great works. His Instagram is Mr. Murphs. Congrats to you, man, and thank you for the support. I'll definitely be reaching out to you on Instagram as well. Yeah, that's gonna conclude the giveaway. Again, thank you to anybody else who entered and left a comment. This is probably gonna be the last giveaway that I do on YouTube, and that's because I had so many bot accounts and fake accounts on this video. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a YouTube giveaway again for 10K. I mean, it was just like fake accounts commenting and telling people to message them on WhatsApp or Telegram. So yeah, the bots are out for these giveaways. So there's probably a better way for me to do this next time without all the bots involved. So stay tuned for 10K and we'll figure it out. I had to go through a bunch of comments that were just fake profiles. They were created yesterday. It was so easy to tell because the comments were just ridiculous. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for the giveaway. Congrats to all of the winners. And shout out to everybody who left a comment and gave me some good feedback, whether it be on Instagram or YouTube. You guys are the real ones. You guys are the reason why I do this stuff. I want to give a huge shout out to our channel sponsor and also the sponsor of this giveaway, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. Without them, you know, this giveaway wouldn't have happened. So please do me a favor, even if you didn't win the giveaway, and check their website out at simplycarbonfiber.com. You can also use my code FH10 and get 10% off. So thank you to them for partnering up with me on this giveaway, and congrats to the winners. I will be reaching out to you guys individually on Instagram. I hope you guys get something nice on the Simply Carbon Fiber website. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Stay tuned for the next one, which should be dropping on Friday. We're gonna be doing a boot mode burble video, so that should be a good one. But I wanna thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.